Well, this thing took a while to get going, but I got it going.
Now it's leveled out. It's running good.
Running good now. No radio. Try to see how it works. High idle does work. This thing sounds... I love a C7. Love a Cat C7. Let's gotta find out what year this is real quick here. It is a 2007. Built in February. It was built in, let's see, May of 2006. Still got the camera system in it. Emergency door. It's got a overly obnoxious buzzer, so I'm not gonna mess with it. Oh, there's a C7.